Welcome to Ngoten Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Ngoten Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Amazulu 2, Betway Premiership. Oh, brother, how's it? Sharp, thanks, man. Feel like I came from
I feel disappointed because today I was like game akumele siyiwine namhlanje na kodwa ke ucoach wethu indlela aka substitute ngakhona ama players akhe I was thinking to myself ukuthi ngikuthona mina ngucoach ngabe mhlambe angenzi ngale ndlela akenza ngayo because if ucabanga la substitute yakhe sidlala iderby na ischeme akasifaka almost on 70 minutes to 80 minutes to 90 na so I was like ukuthi ischeme bengisilinde kumele siqale namhlanje yabo kodwa nangiyabheka namhlanje ischeme sakhona asiqalanga ngendlela eyephelele
shintshiwe
because bengicabanga ukuthi uLilepo and Sirino Vilakazi uShabalala awazi ucoach angicabanga ukuthi mhlambe uShabalala yena umdlalo ongamkhipha egroundini because wonke umdlali i-team nayidlala ne-Chiefs uyamsaba
kakhulu
kodwa so ucoach ngendlela akakenza ngakhona ukuthi amkhiphe I don't think ukuthi mhlambe unikeza ama-team lokhu njane i-free roll ukuthi akwazi ukwenza noma yini yabo ngoba manje angiboni uShabalala yena umdlalo ongamkhipha egroundini ngoba usatsha wonke umuntu kodwa for today igame badlalela abafana even nedabi bayidlalile kwabe le error nje nyana encane kaBlome ukuthi ngesingami kwakumele ucoach aqalise uFroza ne ukuthi akwazi ukuthi amaintain kahle uRelebohile Mofokeng like kodwa yena akangakwazi ukwenza lokho so uBlome because uslowly kuma runs and then akakwazi ukucover ibase as like uFroza ne if you see Froza today he's playing well ne so I don't think the coach maybe he's disappointing us as supporters like Kaizer Chiefs fan but coach I have one message for you okay so if you are playing the game with the big teams don't undermine them if you are playing the games with the small teams don't undermine them they are coming for you and they know what their weakness so guys as the Chiefs supporters we are dying hard supporters Kaizer Chiefs so we want to give us happiness we don't want to disappoint it every time we are coming to a stadium and then we are sacrificing our money
coming here
so we are coming here to support you guys so please pick up and then go forward don't play like that guy what you call Mthetho ne
number 5
Mthetho uyangidisappoint abuthi because every time we receive ibhola abheke emuva phase emuva ibhola I don't know why and then even what do you call this guy Zwane Zwane every time when I get the ball he's turning around and looking
face the goalkeeper
so manje I don't know because if you see phambili and then we are going to traumatize the opponent ne so manje indlela abenza ngayo bona ayithusi kakhulu so mina ngiyacela kubona ukuthi benze iChiefs ibe like njenganakudala ne ibe hungry like more ukuthi kumele iye forward you know like abothabo monke abosikara ngobese you know aboshuzi moshe wawujabupe ule yabona so like iye phambili ikwazi ukuthi isinika lento esiyifunayo abadlali bangathi badlala eswini imidfielder ne bayathena babheke emuva so nawudlala imidfielder ubamba ibhola uya create ama spaces outside left side right side ne so kwazi ukhola amagoli lapha sinesitaka njengamanje sekuthiwa uMorris ne njenga namhlanje sikwazi ukukhola igoli ne so okukhombisa ukuthi like abaChivaviro uChivaviro noma singambeka eceleni uChivaviro akasebenzi akusuyena umuntu oright ne so like siyacela ku Chiefs if bayasizwa ne ngoba senza la ama interview la hawu coach kwethu uchiva vela akasibekele nesayidini ukhona uMorris mhlambe noma engeze ukusenzela izinto 18 mara uzokwazi asinikeze lokho esikufuna because istriker sidinga kwi18 not istriker siyayaluza asikwazi nokutrapper asikwazi nokuphasa asikwazi nokukora ne like uMorris ukhombisile ukuthi uzosebenza asithi siyamthemba nabadlali abafikayo abolelipho abo like upulemo ngifuna ukubuyela kuPulemodi uPulemodi kumele kabezama umpractice lokho yani finishing yabo so ifinishing yakhe ayibhedi kakhulu wenza yonke into right and then egcineni kwakhona akakwazi ukufinisha yabo so ngizoba lapha kuPulemodi ukuthi if Pulemodi ungakwazi ukuthi uwenze ifinishing yakho ngendlela egrand yonke into yakho izohamba kahle and then you are best player.
Beautiful. Sabang kakhulu bafo. Thank you. Sisonke bafo. Echara so sure.